Thank you for tuning into Mirror Now. I'm Aarti Subramaniam. Currently underway in the national capital is the fifth round of talks between the centre and farmer union representatives. Now, sources say that the government has given farmers a written reply of the minutes of the meeting that was sought by them. Now, sources have also told Times Network that the centre will not repeal the farmers' laws as demanded by them. This comes at a time when the unions are extremely firm on their demand for a complete rollback of the three contentious laws. Now, earlier this morning, the Prime Minister chaired a high-level meeting that was attended by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, as well as Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Railways Minister Piyush Goyal. Now, it's going to be all eyes on this crucial meeting whether there can finally be a breakthrough achieved. I want to go across to my colleague Alok, who's standing outside the Vigyan Bhavan where that important meeting is happening. Alok, what is the latest information you're gathering from inside? It's a crucial meeting. We're told that they've broken for a 15-minute break right now, but in the 2 hours that the meeting is underway, have you picked up any information from inside?
See, Aarti, the farmers have put their stand before the government very clearly that they are not going to turn back, and in fact they are still putting on the same thing that that the laws to be repealed. In fact, the government has also given them the reply that is related to the last time that meeting was held, the minutes of that meeting, because the farmers had requested the government to give them the written reply of the minutes of the meeting of which held last time. Remember, this is the fifth round of talks. The last talks was fourth round, and on that fourth round was also inconclusive. But the government had showed some sort of the flexibility when they said that yes, there are some flaws in the three laws. So that is why the farmers requested the government to give them the minutes of the meeting, and now the farmers unions are in fact reading those and they are studying those minutes of the meeting as of now, what we are learning right now. Although 1.5 hours have already been passed and the meeting is still continued, everybody is hoping that some conclusions or some positive result will come today. Although it has already been extended, today is the 10th day of farmers agitation. The farmers are agitating, the farmers are protesting at various borders of the national capital. Huge